I just decided, I ordered a bunch of these bins off Amazon. I organized our pantry with them, and I just thought it'd be fun to do like a fridge organization video. So I don't know if anyone's gonna want to see this. I feel like I've been watching tons of organization videos and just got really inspired to organize my fridge. So I wanted to show a little before what our fridge looks like right now. Like completely cluttered, things everywhere, just horrible. So I don't even drink these anymore because I'm pregnant and they have too much caffeine. Well, they have 200 milligrams, which is exactly how much I'm allowed to have, and you guys know I drink my coffee every morning, so we just have stuff everywhere. So I really want to just get things organized. This is my Built Bar drawer. Got some vegetables. This is where I keep all my meats, but I'm gonna change that. So yeah, this is the before, and let's get started.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that you I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, and you deserve a better man. But let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. About you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, 'cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, 'cause we're still sleeping in my head. Seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, 'cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, 'cause we're still sleeping in my head.
Time for the after. Show you what I did. Oh my gosh, it looks so much better. So here's our little side. This fell down. But just organized, got rid of some expired stuff. Got all of our drinks organized. My husband likes the cookies and cream, so I have some of those for him. We got my spinach in here with some lunch meat and some of the hot dogs. and things. And then I have my Built Bar drawer. We have some ground beef that I'm gonna use up soon, and some onions back there. We have a whole tray of peaches and apples and plums. And then here we have all of our cheeses, so shredded cheeses. My husband eats this for work all the time. We have some little Kraft slices back there. And then this is kind of Weston and I's snack drawer. So I have my cheese sticks, his cheese sticks, some of my favorite applesauce. We've got some of Weston's favorite applesauces. Got some mandarin oranges, blueberries, strawberries. So that looks nice and organized now. And then I just have our milks up here, our eggs. I want to get one of those clear egg holders. I'm gonna order one of those on Amazon. Got this huge thing of nacho cheese. My husband is obsessed with nacho cheese. So we got that at Sam's Club. I got some guac up here and my 2 cottage cheese. So we have plenty of room if we need to add anything else. It's crazy how much extra room shows. So I want to get a after shot. Let's get rid of this. Those are gonna be eaten in about 2 seconds. So here is our after. So hopefully this gave you some inspiration to clean out your fridge. I will post all of the bins, these bins, these bins, these bins, down in the description box. I got them off Amazon, this one as well. So those will be in the description. Let me know if you guys like this kind of video. I have a lot of stuff that I need to organize, and I know I'm gonna be nesting once I get farther along. I feel like I already am. So if you guys would like to see that, more of this kind of stuff, let me know. So that's gonna be it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.